Understanding the probability and the impact of cascading collisions in outer space turns out to be one of the more controversial topics in space sustainability and risk management. In order to do this, we will look at orbital space as a holistic system. When an object in orbit gets destroyed, it creates a lot of debris, which has the potential to shatter other objects and initiate a cascade effect. The evolution of the cascade effect depends on the count of the conjunction within near time of the initial fragmentation and on the conjunction distance. A pair of satellites which just meet each other represent a lower risk in the context of sustainability as one satellite meeting a number of different satellites. Most space environment reports today count the number and mass of objects in orbit. This is like an inventory where the objects are just listed. From this graph, we can't tell whether all parts are orbiting in the same direction with stable distance or if they are all flying on a direct collision course. Here you see a 24-hour diary of one satellite in a large constellation with 17 conjunctions involving 14 individual other objects. The formula of the individual object cascade potential is the product of the number of conjunctions of the object and the count of individual conjunction object partners. This lets you calculate the system cascade and individual cascade potential. Triggering a cascade could happen in a number of ways: asteroids, solar flux, wrong surveillance data, technical failures, or human error, especially in the operation of megaconstellation. And that's not even counting intended triggers such as military operations or hackers interfering with one or more points in the operation chain. Needless to say, a cascade would be a terrible thing, impacting not only our collective ability to conduct science and business in space, but also everyone's daily lives.
All right. Well, anybody have anything they want to add on to that?
Everyone else's point of view that there's really no time to lose. I mean, it's just the problem gets harder and harder to.
I don't know. These are all just ideas floating in my head, and your concerns are duly noted, my friend.